Alright guys, no, I haven't done a video in a long time. Today I'm going to be doing a preventative maintenance on my elevator machine room air conditioner, which cools my little elevator machine room up here on the roof, because we have these computer cabinets, the electronics for the elevator motors, so they need to be cooled. Nice little machine room up here on the roof. So, it's the old fan that used to be in here, an old Dayton. So this filter one is caked, it's in the manual. So filter is plugged. We're going to take that downstairs and wash it in the slop sink in the laundry room. But what I really want to get to is this coil. This coil is really filthy, so I'm going to pop this front cover off and this little air sensing thing here, and a little piece of cardboard. We'll try to clean this up as best I can, so stay tuned. Alright, just got all the dirt off. I sprayed it up with foam. I'll bring a vacuum and suck up all the dirt here. I'm going to try and get my air duster can and blow this thing out. That way I don't get it wet, because it's just a little piece of cardboard. I'll bring the air duster can up here, but I'm going to bring this and this downstairs. And I'll bring it in the backyard and I'll hose these down, because it's just, I can't do it in the laundry slop sink room. The shit will get everywhere, so I think it's easier I take this in the backyard and do it. I'll just bring that stuff down. I don't need that. I used a lot of that, and this evaporator took a lot of that spray. So yeah. Alright guys, I just cleaned it. I tried to blow this little thing out best I could. Took the filter nice and clean in the grill downstairs. Now, one of my guys just informed me, because again, I'm in this building 3 months now. He said, well, I think I got this back. There we go. He said that when you try to run the cooling on this, it trips. Show me the breaker downstairs. It's a 20 amp breaker. This is a 20 amp rated receptacle because it goes to the side. If it's tripping and this is on a 20 amp, that tells me that this is not the only load. So it tells me there's another load attached to this besides the AC, and that's why it's tripping. I don't see anything so far. Oh, these are temperature sensors for the boiler. Just monitor the temperature up here. See if it gets too cold or anything. Geez, you know, I don't know where. There's nowhere else to take power from up here. Yeah, this is tricky. Well, let's plug it in and see what happens. Well, first, this is... Okay, it's 12 amps. Wow, this is a 17,000 BTU. What's the voltage? 115 volt. Can you believe that, guys? Sorry to turn the camera sideways. I'll take a picture of it, but that's really odd. 12 amps. Alright, let's see what happens here. Alright. I'm gonna stand clear when you put these on, because sometimes the frickin' dust balls start shooting out. So it's fan. Let's try cool. 77 degrees in here. See what happens. It's got a delay. I said no. I don't think it came on. I don't hear it. Oh, that did not sound good. Slowed down. Compressor did come on though. Let's see how long it takes until it trips, right? Did come on. Let's go look at the outside. That's the outside of it. You can barely hear it. The coil, the outside coil is nice and clean. Can't even hear the compressor. Let's see. Long until this guy trips. And that's a big unit to have on a... I mean, it's not a 20 amp breaker. Get it nice and cool. Fan speed should be on high. It's not getting warm or anything. Maybe on the really hot days it just can't handle the load, and it goes past 20 amps. That's the only thing I can think of, because this is a... I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is. They probably have to put this on a bigger circuit, because I mean, yeah, it's fine now, right? But it says 12 amps, but that's like, I guess, under normal condition. So what happens when it's a 90-degree day up here on the roof, and you know, you're trying to run this bad boy? So that's the problem. Might ask the building if they want to invest in putting a mini split here with its own dedicated circuit, which Rupi could do. See about that. But all right, well, here's the Amania. I'll let you know if it trips. I'm gonna watch it for a little while more. Well, we can hear it a little better now. I don't like how that foot is there. That's not good. I'm gonna see if I can get on a ladder and move that. You can kind of hear it. So I think I know what the problem is. I'll see if we can get a line ran up here for this.